All right, you guys, so today we're multiplying a two-digit by two-digit number. All right, so I'm gonna do an example. So I'm gonna do 24 times 16. All right, so we know we need to create a rectangle. This time, it's gonna look a little different this time. So we have two digits by two digits. So that means we're going to actually be drawing, we know this is 24, so 20 plus 4, right? So we're gonna be drawing a line going down. Now, this is the different part. We have 16 now. These are two digits. So I have to break apart 16. 16 is 10 plus 6. So guess what? I have to have a line in the middle now, in between that plus sign. So now we're having four boxes instead of our usual just two boxes, all right? So now we can multiply inside of here. So how we multiply inside of here, we'll first look at this box and we'll say, all right, what is above there? It's a 20. So now I'm doing 20 times, and I look to my left. What number is to my left? Good, 10. So this is 20 times 10. All right, I want to solve it afterwards. Let's look here in this box. We look above. What is above? Good, it's a 4 is above. And then all the way to my left is a 10. So this is 4 times 10. So let's look in this box and see what equation we're going to write. We look above, it's a 20. And we look beside it, it's a 6. So you always look above and to the left. All right, let's look at this one. Look above. Good, it's a 4. What's on the side here? Good, it's a 6. So now I know I need to multiply 4 times 6, which is 24. We're going to solve all of these. 4 times 10, which is 40. This is a 10. 20 times 10, I know I hide my zeros. 2 times 1 is 2, add 2 zeros back. That's why we already worked on our hiding zeros. This one, 20 times 6, hide my 0. 2 times 6 is 12, add my 0 back. Now, what do you think I have to do with all of these numbers? Good, I have to add all of these numbers up. So I'm going to add up 200 plus 40 plus 24 plus 120. All right, so when I add all these up, 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer will be 384. So this is what you're going to be working on today. You're going to be working on multiplying a two-digit by two-digit number. All right, so we're going to do another problem. All right, so this is question number 2 on your Canvas today. So make sure you're ready. So it says Lola and Caleb were selling sheets of stickers for a fundraiser. Each sheet has 15 stickers. All right. Lola sold 24 sheets and Caleb sold 17 sheets. How many stickers have they sold altogether? So first we need to figure out what is Lola's amount. So I know each sheet is 15 times and Lola sold 24. All right, so I know that's Lola's. What is Caleb's amount? Caleb's amount is 17 sheets and there's 15 stickers in each sheet. So 15 times 17. Those are the two problems I know I'm going to be doing. And then their total is me adding both of these answers up, right? So first we need to figure out what is 15 times 24. So I want to draw my area model, break apart 15, 10 and 5. Remember, you can put it any way. You can put 10 and 5 down here or up here, it doesn't matter. And then 24, so 20 plus 4. All right, now we're going to break it apart where our plus sign's at, and we're going to multiply. I know this is 10 times 20. 10 times 20 is 200. What multiplication problem will go right here? What do you think? Look above and look beside it. Good. 5 times 20. 5 times 20 is 100. All right. Eventually, you guys aren't even going to want to put the multiplication problems in here because you're going to know it off the top of your head. So you just like put your answers in here. So this one, look above it. It's 10 and 4. 10 times 4 is 40. Okay, and this problem right here, 5 times 4 is 20. So all I have to do is add these up. 200 plus 100 is 300. 40 plus 20 is 60. This is 360. So Lola's amount is 360. I already gave you Lola's amount. Now we have to do Caleb's amount, which is 15 times 17. That's what we're doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and erase this because I got Lola's. Now I'm going to do Caleb's. So 15 times 17, I'm going to break it apart. 15, 10 and 5, 17. Let me make this a little better. 17, 10, and 7. So you see I don't have my plus sign. Sometimes you will not see your plus sign, so it doesn't matter. All right, so now I'm going to multiply. Let's look up here. What multiplication problem would I do here? Look above and to the left. Good. 10 times 10, which is 100. What multiplication problem would I do here? Look above and to the left. Good. 10 times 5 is 50. All right, what multiplication problem would I do here? Look above to the left. Good. 70. And then this one's 5 times 7, which is 35. Now, when I add this up, 150, let's add it up. 150, 70, 35. Let me move my screen. See Miss Brown's moving. All right, 5. This is 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 5 is 15, 255. So, all right, I got 255. Oh, that's wrong. Yeah, that's right. So now I got to find my total. So now I have to add this up. So what is 360 plus 255? Good. 615. So that will be my answer right here. 615 stickers. Now, today you just learned how to multiply using a 2-digit by 2-digit. That's what you're doing today. Make sure you watch the visual learning bridge. That's very important. And then make sure you make sure you do your practice quiz. All right, try to get that 70% or higher today on that practice quiz. And then there is no practice buddies on this lesson, all right? So you should be doing your dream box afterwards. All right, good job today.